Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys like my makeup today. I decided to do something a little bit more dramatic just for you. I know it's been a long time since I've done something this drama on my channel, but the truth is I'm usually not going anywhere after I film a makeup look, so it's usually on the natural glam side, but today I came to show out, okay? Now today I'm going to be showing you a PR haul, mostly because I have a lot of stuff and I really want your opinion on what you would like to see on my channel. So out of all the stuff that I show you, the things that you're most interested in, please put it down in the comments below. I'm also going to be putting some of these things together for a giveaway for the things that I won't be using, because I don't like to waste makeup, and if I can pass it along to one of you guys, then that's going to be great. So be sure to check the description box for the rules. I'm sure there'll be a link, yada yada, but I'll put it down there. So first things first, I got a ton of stuff from Revolution Beauty, these awesome palettes. Now I've been wanting to try Revolution Beauty for a long time. First of all, I'm really excited. The first palette, this is the one with Tammy. I don't know if you guys have seen her on Instagram. There's this beautiful palette here. So this palette launched earlier this year, so it's probably been out for about 6 months, but it's finally in the States, and I always see it at Ulta, and I finally got my hands on it. So I'm really excited. I know it's fall and I'm supposed to be doing dark colors, but aren't these awesome? Let's do a couple swatches. Okay, look at these. The pigmentation on these is really good. Ooh, look at that blue. Okay, Tammy, like Tammy didn't play. I kind of half expected them to be just like a little bit chalky, but they're really nice. Now this palette here, this is the Forever Flawless Constellation. I'm not gonna swatch this one because I might be giving it away. I'm gonna make all my final decisions later, but it's between that one and this one right here, the Unconditional Love. And this actually, it doesn't look as light in person, so they would definitely work for somebody that has like a deeper skin tone as well. This one gives me like all the fall feels. Now opening this one up, this is Regeneration Trends Azure, and look at this, New Planet. It's like a beautiful marble kind of blue with like copper in it. Really interesting. So I'm feeling this is something different that I haven't seen before. I also have from Revolution Beauty these, they're like these eye pigments. So I used this one today. This glitter side here is what's on my inner corner right here. It's like a really nice pop. And then there's this beautiful like coppery one with a glitter, and then there's a lighter one here that's more of like a pale whitish. You can see the true color here. It's really pretty. I haven't tried this side here, the liquidy side, but I mean, they're really nice. Now I also have some goodies from Urban Decay. They're one of my favorite brands, and they have some new foundations. Well, it's kind of old, but it's new to me because I haven't tried it. This is the Stay Naked foundation. I believe it came out around July or August of this year, and these are the colors that I got. So I have not tried them on yet, but we'll see. So one of these hopefully will be my color. I also got the concealer, so I'll have to try them as well. If you're interested in what colors I got the 80WY in the foundation and the 80NN, which is a neutral, in the foundation as well. The concealers here are 70WO and 70NY. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited to try those out and see. Hopefully they work. Now over here we have a ton of new lipsticks. This is a Vice Lip Chemistry. It's a glassy tint. Let me pull one out and see what it looks like. First of all, packaging goals. This shade is Third Base. Oh, look at these names, Urban Decay. And this is a pink color here. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm probably gonna give it away since I'm not much of a pink person myself. But I will swatch this red for you. This is 21. And it is definitely Oh, it's got a really nice finish. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more opaque. It's creamy. But I like that. I really, really like that. When they said like a glassy tint, I was just thinking like natural / no makeup kind of look, but this is really, really nice. And I like that they come out with these moisturizing products for the fall, you know, because I don't know about you guys, but matte liquid lipsticks in the drier or colder months of the year are just, they don't mix with me very well. But this is a very beautiful color. Now, Physicians Formula sent me a lot of goodies, and these two I'm really excited to share with you. They are their butter eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is, does it have a name? So apparently the first one does not have a name, but I will show you the beautiful shades, and they feel so buttery, and they actually swatch pretty nice. I'm feeling that. Ooh, this one right here. Honestly, I think this is like super work friendly, work appropriate. You know, it's nothing too crazy. The second one here is really nice. Oh, look at that green. This one actually does have a name. It's called Sultry Nights, and ooh, love that. Okay, so I'm not kidding you when I show you how many of these lipsticks they have. They are called the Muru butter lipsticks, and they have a bunch of different colors. I will definitely be setting some aside for you. I'm gonna pick one to just swatch. Okay, so this one right here, which would be a really nice nude, is called Brazilian Nut, and it feels really smooth. I love that. Okay, so it's kind of like a semi-glossy, I mean, look, this with a brown liner would be it, okay? But I really like that, and I can't wait to try some of these shades. Okay, then they sent some highlighters, and this one right here is Deep Mauve, and oh my god, it's like freaking buttery. Watch this. Like, is that not the dream for somebody with deep / ebony skin? And I mean, come on, it's so buttery. Like, I barely had to touch it, see? And it diffuses actually really, really easy as well. Now, they also sent some of these blushes. This one is a little bit lighter. This one is called Saucy Mauve, and this one right here is Copacabana. I don't really think that this would be suitable for my skin tone, but I am gonna put in a giveaway just because maybe one of you guys it will be more suitable, or you have a friend that you would like to give this away to. Okay, now this one is also classified as a bronzer, but sometimes I look at these shades and I'm like, well, that would be like a really, really nice highlight. It's called Brazilian Glow. They have this really nice gift set that would be such a nice Christmas present for someone. It's like really hard for me to take out, and because I want to give away this, I don't want to like mess anything up, but you guys can see everything that's in there. You've got eyeshadows, you've got blushes, you've got highlighters in the little sample size, plus some perfume. Now, I also have a few products from a brand called Innisfree, which I actually love. They're a K-beauty brand. I've got 2 masks and a lip sleeping mask. And actually I have their green tea serum, and it's one of my go-to serums for the winter time. So I'm really excited to try this. I know that this brand just launched in Sephora, so if you want to try it, you can check it out there. This is the Pore Clearing Clay Mask, a multi-action rinse-off clay mask formulated with Jeju volcanic clusters and spheres. Helps to cool on contact, absorb excess oil, okay, with visibly smaller pores, and help improve the overall look and texture of skin. Those claims sound really, really good, and I can't wait to try it out and see if it works. Okay, so here we have the Pore Clearing Mousse Mask 2X with super volcanic clusters. You don't know what the 2X means, but this is basically the same thing as the one in the jar, but a mousse version of that. So I like that a lot. And here is the Lip Sleeping Mask. I really love the packaging here. I'm so curious to see. Doesn't really smell like anything, but I'm so curious to see how this compares against the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, because that one is like it for me, like the holy grail. So I will have to keep you guys informed and see if it really does work. Next up, I got some goodies from Bite Beauty. So there are these 4 products. Now, first there is this beautiful black toffee right here. And let me swatch it for you. As you can see back here, it's such a nice lip gloss color. And then we have the matte cream lipstick. This one is Blood Orange, as you can see here. And I swatched it, and it's actually a really nice like pinky nude color. You could do a really nice nude lip combo with this one. And then we have this Gazpacho, which is a beautiful red. Love that color right there. It's actually kind of similar to the Fenty Uncensored that I have on right now. And this lip pencil is actually going to go in the giveaway because it's actually a lighter pinky color, as you can see here. I haven't used it, but it is the lip pencil in 026. Okay, wait till you see this gigantic, like huge box from Wet n Wild for their Halloween collection. It's so big, I literally have to like move to the side. Look at this. Okay, first of all, this would be like the cutest little dollhouse for like a little kid, or like little doll play area or whatever. And it has these clasps on the side. Actually, let's set this back here. Much easier. I don't want anything to pop open. Okay, first of all, we have a ton of stuff for Halloween looks. I haven't done a Halloween look in a while because they just aren't really popular on my channel, but I might just play around just for fun one of these days. So there's these little cutouts here. What are they? They are, oh, stencil packs. That is really freaking cool. All of these stars, constellations. We also have jewels if you want to get your Euphoria looks on. Yeah, really cool. Okay, so there's a ton of makeup in here, and we're gonna go one by one and look at these. When you open this up, I don't know what the best way is to show you guys, but like, look at this, okay? And there are still 2 more sets underneath. So let me pull one set out. So here's like one set, and this is mostly designed for like Halloween makeup with some lip products, some eye products. These are paint palettes. So if you want to get your paint on, there's that paint pot. There's a highlighting powder, which obviously would not suit me very well. Ooh, these little glitters here. This palette, like, okay, let's take this out. And you know what? These shadows are kind of nice. I'm sure with a wet brush, they could be even more pigmented, but really feeling the color story here. Now we also have these multi-sticks, a white one, a brown one, and an orange one. I'm assuming these are for like eyes, lips, I don't know what else, or maybe like drawing on the face if you like to do face painting. These are also some beautiful liquid eyeshadows, freaking gorgeous. Also have some lip products here and a, ooh, this is interesting, a little mustard gold color. This one really captures my attention because I'm wondering if you can use this for like a nude lip combo as like the gloss topper, you know, but I'm not quite sure, maybe. There's also a nice loose pigment. Now I have a lot of loose pigment, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway as well. And the glitter that I showed you guys is definitely gonna go in the giveaway because I have a lot of glitters and Lord knows I haven't even used up one of them yet. Now the next set here, it's kind of like a same vibe going on we've got the palette, we've got the paint little pots here. We've also got the multi-sticks, as you can see here, lip products, and some lipsticks. I'll be picking some of these out to put in the giveaway too. Okay, so here's the next set. Here we've got the shape-shifting blush, some glitter, another palette, a paint palette, a paint pot, and also some lip products down here. Now these are some unusual colors. Like, look at this one that's got that duochrome action going on here. And this is a beautiful like fuchsia, a nice purple, some of these eye sticks, a white, a purple, and a kind of a hot pink color. And then we've also got these liquid eyeshadows here, which are really nice. Okay, so this is the last set of the Wet n Wild Halloween collection. So this one is more like green, blues kind of situation. They do have colored mascaras, which I didn't know that they had. Also some liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, wouldn't this be cute for like a mermaid look? Would be so nice. And some of the multi-sticks, some lip products here, paint pot, paint palette, an eyeshadow palette, glitters, a blue, ooh, this is like a blue lipstick, and a white loose pigment. That's like a lot of stuff for Halloween. Like, they really did the damn thing. Now I want to share with you guys some of the things that I got from Laura Mercier. Now these are duplicates of stuff I already have, so I will be putting them in the giveaway, but I just want to show you what they are so you know what to expect. Now these are their face illuminators. So you've got this one in the color Addiction. You've got this one in the shade Devotion, which is actually, it looks super white on camera, but it is more of a pinky, like light pink iridescent. And then you have this one here. Oops, the plastic fell off. This one is in the shade Indiscretion. I'm also going to be giving away the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, one of my favorite highlighters, and I already have like 2 of these, so I figure it's best to just give these away because they do last for a long time, so I know I'm set for a while. Then I'm going to be giving you guys the Flawless Skin. This is the moisturizing glow mask. This is a really good like mask to just like if your skin has been dry or you know the winter months coming up, it's really nice for skin. So that's going to be going in the giveaway because I already have one of these. So there is a lot of fun stuff in that PR haul, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy what's in the giveaway, and I hope that you take what you love and also share some of the stuff in there with friends because there's going to be a lot of stuff. Don't forget to check out some of the videos that are right next to me, chill with me some more, hang out. Don't forget to check the description box for the giveaway details. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.